Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we're looking at a brand new update from Tesla that targets one of the most common and frustrating issues affecting driver assist performance: camera visibility. Tesla has just rolled out an automatic camera obstruction detection system, paired with free cleaning services and major improvements to the visual renderings inside the car. And while this update might sound simple on the surface, it actually plays a huge role in the long-term evolution of Tesla's full self-driving platform. So let's break down exactly what's new, why it matters, and what it could mean for the future of autonomy. First, let's talk about the core feature: automatic detection of camera obstruction. Tesla vehicles now have the ability to recognize when the front camera's visibility is compromised, whether it's caused by dirt, dust, smudges, or even a thin internal film that can develop on the windshield over time. This issue has real impact on the vehicle's assistive functions, because the cameras need a perfectly clear line of sight for features like lane keeping, object recognition, path planning, and of course, full self-driving. With this new system, the vehicle doesn't just flag potential problems, it actively evaluates camera clarity and determines when visibility drops below safe operational thresholds. And when the system detects an obstruction, it doesn't leave drivers guessing. Tesla has added a new status screen that clearly identifies which camera is affected. The car provides a live image from that exact camera so the driver can see the obstruction for themselves, whether it's a splash of mud on a rainy day or a thin haze building up over time. This level of transparency gives drivers far more control and removes the uncertainty that sometimes comes with advanced driver assist features. Here's where things get even more interesting. Tesla is now offering free camera cleaning when this alert triggers. In the past, this was a paid service. Now, when the system detects visibility issues caused by residue or internal windshield film, drivers can schedule a complimentary cleaning at Tesla service. This shift reflects efforts to address a known engineering challenge in a responsible way, while improvements to future windshield designs continue to be developed. It's a straightforward, practical solution that helps drivers maintain optimal performance without added cost. But visual clarity is only half the story. Tesla is also releasing new and much richer full self-driving visualizations inside the car. These updated graphics now include a wider range of vehicle types: ambulances, garbage trucks, delivery vans, specialty service vehicles, along with smaller objects that the system needs to identify, such as golf carts, strollers, and other low-profile items. The goal is to give drivers a clearer understanding of exactly what the system sees and how it interprets the environment. These new visuals aren't just cosmetic, they help build driver confidence by showing how detailed the system's perception is becoming. Putting all of this together, we're seeing upgrades on both the hardware-related side and the software-related side of the FSD platform. On the physical side, Tesla is addressing the simple but essential need for clean, unobstructed cameras, something that directly affects safety and performance. On the digital side, the improved visualizations show continued advancement in object detection and scene understanding, which are critical capabilities for future unsupervised robotaxis. This update also signals Tesla's long-term direction. As the company continues refining perception models and enhancing real-time awareness, consistent image quality becomes even more important. That's why detecting camera obstruction and offering free cleaning isn't just customer service. It's part of Tesla's broader strategy to strengthen the foundation of autonomy before pushing toward more advanced features. So what does this mean for Tesla drivers right now? It means clearer visibility, better diagnostics, more transparency on how the system interprets the road, and free service support when the cameras need attention. And looking ahead, it means Tesla is steadily building the infrastructure needed for a future where more autonomy is possible with greater reliability. If you enjoyed today's breakdown and want to stay updated on every Tesla feature as it rolls out, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. Big changes are coming to the world of driver assistance and autonomy, and you'll want to be here when the next update arrives. Thanks for watching AutoStream US, and remember, clarity isn't just about what you see on the road, but how your car sees it too.